welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. If you guys are not familiar, Stitch Fix is a styling service where you are matched with a personal stylist that picks and chooses pieces for you based on your wants, your needs, and what you are looking to amp up your wardrobe with. With Stitch Fix, you are sent 5 items, and those items can be anything from shoes, clothes, accessories, and you only pay for what you want to keep. So that is the great thing with Stitch Fix. You can try all of the pieces in the courtesy of your own home, and you only pay for these items if you want to keep them. I do also have a referral code which gets you $25 credited towards your first purchase. So if you want to keep any of your items from your box, you will automatically have $25 by using the link in the description box down below. If you guys are new or you haven't watched any of my Stitch Fix unboxings before, I have been doing Stitch Fix for about 2 years now. It is definitely my favorite styling service. I've had the best luck with it, and I have found their prices are pretty fair in my opinion. A lot of the pieces now from my wardrobe are from Stitch Fix, including this sweater that I have on here. This one, I think it was my last unboxing or the one before that, but either way, I'll link it down below. It's kind of giving me like Harry Potter vibes, but I kind of love it. So I'll have it linked down below. I will also have all of the items that I share with you guys today listed in the description box down below, including my size. I won't be able to link the items down below because a lot of these pieces are specific to Stitch Fix, but if you also do Stitch Fix and you want to request these items from your stylist, it makes it a little bit easier if you have the brand name and of course the item name as well. So everything will be linked down below. I'll have my referral link down below if you guys are interested in trying it out. And I do have one question before we get into the unboxing. I did ask you guys on Instagram the other week what videos you guys wanted to see from me or what content you felt like I could do better on my channel, and I did actually get a suggestion from one of you guys letting me know that you didn't want to see unboxings anymore from subscription services, which is totally fine with me, but let me know if that is true and if you guys feel that way as well down below, or if maybe you want to see different types of subscription service unboxings down below, or if you feel like maybe I can do this in a better way that you guys would enjoy more. Any suggestions, I'd love to hear from you, but I do want to go ahead and jump into this unboxing. So if you guys are interested in seeing this Stitch Fix unboxing, then please keep watching. Okay, so as always, we have 5 items in our box here. For my box today, I have 5 clothing pieces. I will be honest, this box is really not my favorite. I think there are a few pieces that I do like, but I have definitely had better boxes. You guys will have to, of course, let me know what you think of this box as a whole in the comments down below and what your favorite piece was. So for today's box, I did actually get 2 pairs of jeans. The first pair I have here are from the brand Studio Blue. These are the Tobi high-rise mom jeans in a size 14, and these cost $58. So this is what the jeans look like here. I actually really like these, and I have tried out this brand before, Studio Blue, and they've worked out well for me in the past. But as mentioned, they are a high-waisted pair of medium washed denim. We do have traditional front and back pockets, and these do have a little bit of distressing, as you guys can see, on the knee. We have some on the other side as well, and then at the bottom here, the leg is just a little bit wider, and we have this kind of two-toned denim on the very bottom. I do like these jeans a lot. The fit is really good. They're nice and high-waisted. I do feel like these are the type of denim that could probably stretch out as I continue to wear them because they just feel a little bit stiffer, but not uncomfortable. I just can tell they're gonna stretch out when I keep wearing them. So I do like these. You guys will have to let me know what your thoughts are on these in the comments down below. And the next piece I have here is actually a little cardigan. This one here is from the brand Love Ellie. This is the Romilly Colorblock cardigan in a size XXL, and this one cost $44. So this is what the cardigan looks like here. So it's another striped piece, kind of similar to the blouse that I'm wearing right now. We have the navy blue block up at the top. It goes down to mustard, white, and then brown at the very bottom. And then the arms are exactly the same as well. Do we have pockets in here? I don't see any pockets actually. And then we don't have any buttons or anything in the front of this one. Now I do like this piece a lot. I think it's really cute, but the issue is I just feel like it looks way too similar to the sweater that I'm currently wearing. Like I just don't feel like I need both a sweater and a cardigan pretty much in the same pattern. If I didn't have this sweater here, I would probably opt for the cardigan because personally I do love having cardigans in my collection, but I just can't justify keeping this one knowing well that I have one very similar in a sweater. This next piece here is from the brand Kayleigh. This is the Soll mixed material top in a size extra large, and this one costs $46. So I thought this top was actually really, really cute. As you guys know, I have an obsession with animal prints, specifically leopard, and obviously my stylist must know. So we have some animal print on the front here. And then this is another Colorblock piece. So we do have the gray sleeves. Now the material of the leopard print in the top here is like a non-stretch material. It's a little bit like more of that satiny feel, whereas the rest of the top is nice and soft and comfy. And then in the back of the blouse, it is full gray. So I like this top a lot. I like that it's a little bit more casual. This would be an easy piece to throw on with some jeans and maybe some sneakers, and you're like good to go. Plus it is a lighter weight piece, so a good transitional piece between winter and spring. Although it's very cold still here in Maryland, I'm still trying to keep in mind that spring is coming. So I do like this piece, but it just doesn't absolutely wow me. You guys will of course have to let me know what you guys think of this piece along with all of the others in the comments down below. The next piece I have to share with you guys today is a pair of jeans. These are from the brand Cut from the Cloth. These are the Fania high-waisted ankle skinny jeans in a size 14W, and these cost $88. Now that price tag is a little bit higher, but if you guys are familiar with the brand Cut from the Cloth, it is sold at Nordstrom. It is a little bit of a more pricier brand, but the pieces are very nice. I have tried out others from Stitch Fix in the past and really, really like them. So these are what the jeans look like here. So they are a light wash denim. We have traditional front and back pockets, traditional button and zipper closure, and then these, actually we do not have any distressing at all on the leg here. However, on the other leg, we just have a very, very small little slit at the knee. Now, the fit on these jeans altogether is pretty good. They are definitely shorter on the leg, but as you guys heard in the title, they are an ankle fit, so that's not really an issue for me. I love this wash. I really do not have any jeans that are in this super light wash. The stretch in them is really good as well, but I just personally do not find them to fit like a true high rise. In my personal opinion, they definitely fit more like mid to high rise, and it's just not my personal preference. They're definitely more comfortable in a mid-rise fit, but I'm gonna be trying to yank them up the entire day to fit me like a high rise because that's just what I find to be comfortable. So for spending $90 and they're not 100% perfect, I just cannot keep these. But if you guys like mid-rise and you don't mind spending a little bit more on your denim, I think this pair actually here from Cut from the Cloth is really, really great. I just wish, again, they were just like an inch or two taller on the waist and they would have been truly perfect. The last piece I'm sharing with you guys today is another sweater. This one is from the brand Skies Are Blue. This is the Carmine Subtle Sparkle Cowl Neck Pullover in a size extra large, and this one costs $68. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you probably know I don't absolutely love a turtleneck. However, I do think this one is actually cute because the neck is a little bit wider, so it doesn't feel like too suffocating. So I do appreciate that. And I love this beautiful coral color up here at the top, but this is another Colorblock piece, again, similar to the one that I'm wearing. This one goes into the burgundy in the middle and then the light pink at the bottom. And again, the sleeves do match as well. The idea of this sweater is really cute. Again, I like the neck. I like that bright pink color. I will tell you guys though about this piece, and I don't even know how well you guys are going to be able to see it. There are like little sparkles all over this one. I feel like you can especially see it in the darker color in the middle. Yeah, there's like little tiny sparkles, and that's just not not personally my favorite, so this one is also going to be a pass. Honestly, this entire box is probably going to be a pass for me, but I would love to know what you guys think of this box, what you guys think of Stitch Fix as a whole. Would you guys like me to continue doing more unboxings? Is that something you're interested in? Would you like to see unboxings from other brands? I could do comparisons, or really anything that you guys are thinking that you would like to see from me. I would love to hear from you. Before we go ahead and wrap up this video, I do want to just talk about the cost of everything. So if we were to keep all 5 pieces, our total would be $304 even. But Stitch Fix does actually give you 25% off if you choose to keep all 5 items. So then our total goes down to $228. $228 is really not bad for all these 5 pieces, being that the jeans, the one pair of jeans by themselves is $90. So it's not absolutely terrible, but I just don't personally love any of these pieces. Out of all of my boxes recently, I feel like I've been keeping at least 1 or 2 pieces, but this one for me is just a total fail. Again, be sure to let me know what your thoughts are on everything in the comments down below. But I am going to go ahead and end this video right here. So thank you guys all so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day, amazing week, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.